to another YouTube video. Today I have a self-care Sunday reset. You know, like the vibes, what? You know, you gotta show yourself some love, show yourself some care, y'all. Don't neglect yourself. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and let's get into the video. I'll do a face mask here or there. I just don't fully get into like boom, next thing, boom, next thing, boom, next thing. You know, like I just do a little face mask, wash it off, and I get into bed. All right, so I think the first thing I'm going to start with is doing the facial. I'm gonna go ahead and use my steamer. I love this thing. So I went to the Dollar Tree, right? I got a face scrubber. You know, we got some gems in there, okay? I don't wanna hear nobody hating on the Dollar Tree. I got a little headband for the occasion. This like lip plumping mask. And then I got a face mask. I already got two others. I don't know which ones I'm gonna use, so I guess we'll decide together. I guess I'm gonna put the headband on because, you know, why not? Mind y'all, I have no contacts in, so I cannot see what I look like. Okay, I think the headband looks cute. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my little container with some water. I only use bottled water. I don't use any tap water because my skin is really sensitive, so it'll break out, okay? I wash my face with tap water, yes, but penetrating deep into my skin, I do not. They also tell you not to use tap water with this because the bacteria will get caught in it, and you don't want that. Go ahead and turn it on and, oh. Maybe I should plug it in first. Okay, it's plugged in now. Let's go ahead and turn it on, and I'm gonna wait for that to go ahead and set up. All right, she is steaming, she's ready, and let's go ahead and get into it. I love facial steaming so much. It really just opens up your pores, and it allows the product just to seep in and do its magic. But sometimes I be choking on it though. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my face before I do my face mask. Always start with a clean face. I think I want to try using this for my face. So I'm gonna wet it. And this is my face wash. It's prescribed, you know, the vibes. And the steamer also help with your face being wet. So I'm gonna just go ahead and like, just wash my face. I feel like that's just not giving me enough sex. All right, so I just washed off my cleanser and now it's time to choose the face mask. All right, so I have a choice between all of these. I'm for sure gonna do this one because this is an eye mask. And then I have these ones. So I have a collagen mask. It's a cream mask. Smooths and firms. It targets the appearance of fine lines, skin elasticity. It is. Skin elasticity. Signs of aging. Then I have a peel off mask, which is a hydrating pineapple. It is an uplifting pineapple extract and hydrating hyaluronic acid face mask. Probably the one I'm kind of looking for. But then there's also this one where it's the hydrating cream mask, which is literally a mix between both of these. And it helps achieve endless plump, dewy, and healthy looking glowing skin. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Should I not do it? Okay, I'm going with this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put my eye mask on. It has collagen, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and aloe extract. This is to hydrate and firm your under eyes. Is it giving chilling? Is it giving relaxation? What does it give? These are stuck. Hydrate and firm. Firm it is, because whoa, maybe I put them a little too close to my eyes. I don't know, I just feel like I can't blink. Okay, it's time for the mask. I have never put on a cream mask before. I always do like jelly mask or clay mask, maybe a mud mask. Never a cream one before, so let's see what it gives. Let me read the instructions before I start putting stuff all over my face, okay? So it says, apply a small amount to clean, dry face and gently pat until mask melts into skin. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse with warm water, or you could simply leave on for extra skin boost. Oh, okay, so it's a leave-on mask. I think this one's a leave-on mask as well. One of them was. So do a small amount. It says gently pat until mask melts into skin. think it's all into my skin now. All right, so I have my timer set, and now I'm going to do my whitening strips because I really should have started off with these, but I don't know why I did it. Now, I love these whitening strips. These are my favorite ones. They're the least expensive ones you can get, and they work so well. I think I got these for about like $9 to $10. I'm not too sure. But I got them on a bundle on TikTok, and it was like this plus oil pulling stuff, and it was like $11. Comes with a little chart. Okay, so don't do me because I've been doing well with my oral care, but I ran out of mouthwash and stuff like that. I'm just giving excuses. But with these, I can just see, like, I used to be somewhere over here, and now I'm just like, I feel like I'm closer, like this side, you know? My teeth could be a little wider, but we're gonna go ahead and get into it, okay? I need to go ahead and do this lip mask. I'm so excited for it because my lips are so dry. This cold weather, hot weather, it's just messing up my whole skin, my lips. I'm ready to get into it. Here's the way I like to do mine. I like to cut them in half so it gives me extra, I guess. Also, it doesn't wrap on the bottom of your teeth. They say if it wraps underneath, it can make your teeth really sensitive, and I don't do well with sensitive teeth. My teeth are already sensitive. So I'm gonna cut it in half, just enough so I can have the front of my teeth done. See, oh my gosh, these eye patches are so tight. My under eyes better be like the most snatched. So I have two sides. I have the short side, which is gonna go on the bottom, and the long side is gonna go on the top. Okay, I'm gonna look a little crazy, so don't do me. But look, I dry it off. And then you just press in where your teeth is, where your indentions are on each tooth. I'm gonna do 30 minutes. So I got both my timers going. I'm almost done with my face mask. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lip mask. I'm just doing all the masks today. I'm gonna be feeling great. Okay, so this is a 3-step lip mask. It's a lip plumping mask. I don't know if I'm gonna do a lip plumping part. We'll see. I might. We'll see. But step 1 is to lip scrub. Step 2 is the hydrogel lip mask. And 3 is the lip plumper. That actually feels so good. I have a little bit of a lisp because of my teeth whitening strips, but this feels like a lip balm with exfoliant. It feels so good because usually I'm used to the lip scrub that's like just hard and in the pot and stuff, and it's not like, you know, hydrating, I guess. Okay, and now I'm gonna wipe it off with a warm rag. I don't think I'm supposed to eat it. But that was so good. My lips are already so soft. Oh, I love that. All right, the next thing is the hydrogel mask. I think you just put it on. I've never done a lip mask before. I'm so excited. I just feel like this is not going to stay down, so I'm gonna go lay down with this on and I'll be back in 15 minutes. All right, 15 minutes up, and does she look hydrated? I don't know, low-key started trying to burn. Low-key. I'm like, is the lip plumping already? I want to try the lip plumper. I mean, it's a part of it. Should I do it? I think I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Ooh, oh, it's coming out. Oh, it's been coming out. I'm gonna do a little bit. I'll wait for the lip plumping to start. It makes my lips super shiny though. I gave it a little bit of time because I wanted to wash off my face, but like the lip plumper did not work. Like, is my lips plump? Because I didn't feel anything. We gonna go ahead, wash off my face, take off the patches. Oh, that feels great. Look how juicy my under eyes look. Like, it's giving skin, it's giving hydrated. This is exactly what I wanted my skin to look like, just hydrated. I'm gonna do the steam one more time and then I'm going to rinse off my face. I'll go ahead and take these off as well while this is warming up. I just love when my teeth look so white because they're crooked. Why do they have to be yellow and crooked when they could be white and crooked? My skin feels very rejuvenated, very much needed. I can literally feel the lip plumping stuff literally melt off. Yeah, that lip plumping stuff is gone. Did not work at all. I'm so disappointed in it. I was like so scared for no reason when it wasn't even going to work. Now what I'm gonna do is put on my eye cream and my moisturizer because I have already got this little hydration going on. I wanna keep it going. I swear by this eye mask, y'all. It literally helps my dark circles so much. My dark circles were so bad. And they literally just cleared them up. I put it on every single night. Sometimes I put it on top of my lids because, you know, it dries up, but I don't do that every night because I do notice sometimes it tries to take out my eyelashes. And then my moisturizer. And just like that, hydrated skin. Yeah, I love it. I love it. All right, now it's time to show my hair some love. Yes, I do have my hair in these braids. Yes, these braids did take me 2 days. You know, I do have these boho pieces and I don't want them to lock up or mat up. So if you have boho braids, this is where you really lock into the video, okay? Because if you want to keep your boho from not locking it up, this is what you do. You're going to need a mousse. I recommend this mousse so heavy, so much. I love it so much. The olive oil one, it's really nice. It keeps my hair looking shiny. I'm trying to like find descriptive words, but I just don't know how to explain it. I like it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some in my hand, probably like this much. I'm gonna comb through with my hands just to release all the knots. And it also just helps like with the frizz, all that. And sometimes my boho pieces like to get caught in these little gold cuffs and stuff. I recommend doing this part at night, the extra braiding down, just to keep your hair from frizzing up, matting up, just messing up in general, right? Now that you look like your house is on the prairie, you know you've done it right. Okay, and now I'm gonna take some strengthening oil. I love this oil from African Pride. It's peppermint, rosemary, and sage. All right, and that is the end of today's video. I know I didn't do a lot, but for me it was a lot. I was gonna do my lashes during the video, but I feel like my lashes just need a little bit of a break because I just took my lashes off. So if you want a video of me doing lashes or teaching you how to do lash clusters, let me know down below. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I know I did. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.